Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. Today I'll be walking you through the Interoceptive Exposure Worksheet. What is an Interoceptive Exposure Worksheet? An Interoceptive Exposure Worksheet is used in cognitive behavioural therapy to help individuals manage and overcome anxiety or panic disorders. This worksheet guides individuals through interoceptive exposure, which involves purposefully inducing physical sensations associated with panic or anxiety in a controlled environment. The primary function of this worksheet is to help individuals record their experiences and typically include sections for recording specific exercises, such as holding their breath, the intensity of the induced sensations, the level of anxiety experienced, and any additional thoughts or feelings that arose during the session. By keeping track of these details, individuals can observe their progress over time and lessen traumatic anxiety experiences. The ultimate goal is to disrupt the association between physical sensations and the panic or anxiety response, thus reducing the frequency and intensity of panic or anxiety attacks. These worksheets can be an integral part of therapy sessions, but they can also be used independently by individuals as part of their at-home therapy practice. As a result, it is commonly used by therapists and counsellors. Here's how to use an interoceptive exposure worksheet. The first step is to fill in the client information at the top. You'll then need to fill in each section and incorporate results within treatment. To view a sample worksheet of the interoceptive exposure worksheet, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the worksheet for free. You can also access the worksheet through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keyword and click on the note to edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.